Mrs. Johnson.
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Yes, I did. The child is now 18. I would like to be relieved of the child support payments.
Continue.
Because I've fulfilled my obligations in the amicable split that we had. So since the child is 18, I would like to be relieved of child support payments.
Okay. How do you feel about that?
Ma'am, I don't know what kind of Afrocentrickery she's trying to run up in here, but it costs money to raise a child. I understand he's 18, but he's handicapped. He's special.
Okay, so now we're getting to the meat of it, because that's not what she just presented to me.
She
just
just acting
presented
special
it
right now because she don't want to
Well,
pay
sir,
this
let's
money.
not do name calling. That's not nice.
I didn't call her no names, ma'am. I'm just saying she's acting special. All I know is this. It costs money to take care of this child. I don't have it.
What type of disability does
He has
he
a
have?
mental disability, ma'am.
Okay. What type of medical bills does he have?
Currently, my bills are running about $1,800 a month. I have a garage. Obviously, by my dress and appearance today, I'm a simple man. But I make a clean living and do what I have to do. But I can only fix so many cars a day and have to put on helmets and change stuff. I don't have the time.
What type of medical expenses does the child have on a monthly basis?
He has rehabilitation.
Okay.
He also has some vocational training skills to help him. We're trying to get him out there on his own a little bit.
Okay.
And he also has a speech therapist that comes in once a week also to help him.
Okay. And other than that, is he does he have any other disabilities or anything?
Not really, other than, her not being around ever.
Okay.
That's the only disability that's really got it messed up.
And you want to be removed from child support, and you hear about all of the care that it takes to take care of your adult child who's disabled, has special needs.
Your Honor,
Make this good.
I'm going to make this good. Due to the fact that I have been around, I do contribute, I am there. My job takes me all over the world. Not only I'm an educator, but I also have another son as well too, who is 16. I'm in both of their lives. Therefore, I need a little reprieve because there are certain things that I need to do with cash. Certain investments I want to make.
When I speak, you stop talking, okay?
Sure.
You're doing a whole lot of talking and you're not saying anything, okay? Your child has needs that this man pays for. Rehab alone is $400 a month. Is this an expense that a doctor has told you that's going to be ongoing in the future?
Me, ma'am?
Yeah. Or asking me to stop paying child support today. You know what? Ma'am, according to the paperwork that you provided, your child support is based on your annual income of $30,000 a year, right?
That is correct.
How much are you making now?
Probably a little more over 10,000.
Okay.
Over that.
You know what? Let me ask him, because I don't think some of the information you're giving me is very truthful. Sir, how much money does she make a year that you know of?
When we first did the situation, she was making $30,000 a year. Now,
Ma'am, how much money do you make a year, truthfully?
Truthfully, about 42,000.
You make 40.
But see, he negates to say.
No,
Okay.
no, ma'am. You made more money, and you tried to. First of all, I feel offended that you came into my courtroom and tried to downplay what the situation was, what it was in the first place. You made it appear as though this child turned 18 and your child support should naturally terminate. That's not what's going on. Your child has special needs that this man has been paying for. You have gotten a $12,000 raise, in a sense, of salary.
Period of time.
And excuse me?
that's the reason I got
Even
rid of
over
her
a period of time. Today, you make more money. Ma'am, so you said you make $42,000 a year. According to my calculation, that's about $3,500 for gross a month. that puts your net resources at $2,948.13. Who carries the health insurance on the child?
That would be me, ma'am.
Mrs. Johnson steps into the courtroom, calm but firm. Your Honor, I brought this case because my child is now 18, and I would like to be relieved of child support payments, she says. The judge nods, prompting her to continue. Her ex's lawyer stands up, frustrated. Raising a child costs money, Your Honor. This isn't just any child, he has special needs. The tension rises as the discussion dives into the child's mental disability and monthly medical expenses. Therapy, rehabilitation, vocational training, all crucial for his independence. Mrs. Johnson explains her global job and financial obligations, pleading for a little reprieve. The courtroom feels heavy. Both sides know the stakes are more than money. It's about the child's care, stability, and future.
Is there anything further?
Well, I was hoping, ma'am, if I could get a little boost in that. Because the youngest son, he currently is being tested as well. Some problems that he may be having.
Sir?
Yes, ma'am.
This is not the platform for you to be asking for an increase, and you just heard what this woman makes, and you heard me do the calculation based on what it is that she makes.
Well, I just asked, ma'am.
No, that's not how these things are done.
I mean,
you cannot get an increase from what she's making. What she makes is what she makes. Child support is based on a calculation. It's that simple. Now, if you want to do something later and file something in court once it's been diagnosed, what your other child may have, then you can do that. But until then, is there anything further?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, you all may be dismissed.
You want a clown.
She's linked together now.
The judge leans forward, serious. According to your paperwork, your income is $30,000 annually, but now it's $42,000, he says, calculating. Mrs. Johnson listens, realizing the court sees the bigger picture. Child support isn't just about age, it's about the child's needs. Her ex emphasizes ongoing costs, $400 a month just for rehab. Questions about insurance, medical bills, and fairness fill the courtroom. Mrs. Johnson tries to justify a reduction, but the judge clarifies. Child support calculations are based on income and the child's needs. If there's a future diagnosis for your other child, you can petition again, the judge concludes. The gavel hits, the hearing ends. Silence falls. Both parents leave, understanding that responsibility, care, and justice for their child come before convenience or preference.